Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Family Skills Time, and today we are going to be making apple pickles. So the ingredients will be on your screen right now. So let's get started. Heat the pan in medium heat and put some oil. Put half a teaspoon of fenugreek seed, mustard seed. Then when you hear a crackling sound, then put some chopped apples, then mix well. According to your taste, put some turmeric, salt, chili, sugar, chop the garlic and mix well. Put some water, lemon juice, then leave it to boil for 8 to 10 minutes, and also make sure to stir in between. After 10 minutes it is ready to eat, or after it is cooled down completely. Also keep it in the fridge and store it for 5 days and enjoy eating it for 5 days. So that's all our video today on this recipe. So thank you for watching and see you on our next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. So see you in our next video.